Here we go.
Are you doing a...
I can do
I'm a
this. How do I do
savage.
this?
Pay your bills.
I'm just saying. Peach. Sorry. What's up, Jay?
Titty level.
Today's video is brought to you by Great Value Classic Roast Tostado Classico from Walmart. An amazing
And
one.
never cosign, ever.
What kind of coffee do you drink? Do you drink coffee?
Yes.
A lot of coffee?
A lot.
That's not good for you. Or maybe it is good for you. Flash had that problem with alcohol. Buy a house, see why you messing. Not 680. Those numbers look like they sit right next to each other. Yeah.
You do.
What was I saying? Freeze. 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 And I never noticed because I don't remember what I covered. Pause. Gotcha. Gotcha. So here's the thing. No. Yeah, 789. Yeah. That's why 10's so fucking scared. Alright, so. Oh, it's been recording, hasn't it? It's delicious, it's instant, and it gives you a headache. Still doing good. Okay. Moving on. Alright. I fucking walk to work.
Yeah,
That's what
you
I
don't
do.
charge it.
I walk to work until I close on that house.
Don't put anything
and then
on
I do whatever the hell I want to do after I buy my house. So if you sell drugs and you want to put that into your bank account, make sure you do that at least 60 days in advance. Okay?
Then there's the Bitcoins.
Oh yeah. You ever bought a house with Bitcoin? No. If you want to buy a house with Bitcoin, don't fucking call me. Call somebody else. Bye.
Bye.